Ma'am, 2 minutes. I'm I'm solving the issue. I'm having small network error, ma'am. 2 minutes.
Oh, okay, sir. I would like to welcome you all for the one-day online faculty development program on civil engineering applications of IOT and AI, organized by Department of Civil Engineering, Poway Engineering College, Autonomous, Namakkal, in association with Poway Civil Engineering Association with Oliver Publication. Poway Institution had its genesis in the year of 1998, and since then it has molded thousands of students into culpable citizens of the country and become the premier institution in South India. Poway Institution induct over 4,500 students every year in engineering, polytechnic, educational training, arts and science, and management studies, with a mission to provide value-based education in conjunction with sports and extracurricular activities. The institution has a strength of over 12,000 students with a cover 800 faculties and 1,200 staff members. The institution, since its inception, has incorporated value-based education and embedded discipline amongst the students by focusing on all-around development in curricular and extracurricular activities. Poway phenomenal growth was followed by the opening of several institutions like Poway College of Engineering, Poway College of Technology, Poway Group of Institutions, School of Engineering and Management Studies, Poway Varam Polytechnic College, Poway Arts and Science College for Women, Poway College of Education, Poway Vidyashram CBSE School, Poway Matriculation Higher Secondary School, Poway IAS Academy, and Poway India. And Civil Department. Engineering is one of the major disciplines in the engineering profession, and its principles are involved in the design, development, construction, and maintenance of structure. The Department of Civil Engineering has been established in the year of 2005 and ME Structural Engineering in the year of 2012. The department has well established laboratories, supplementing the academic needs of the student with well qualified faculty members in different areas of specialization. The academic activities of department emphasize deep understanding of fundamental principles and development of creative ability to handle the challenges of civil engineering. In addition to academic activities, the department involves in offering consultancy services to the industry and society. And I would like to thank Sharmila Devi, HOD, Department of Civil Engineering, for collaborating with Oliver Publication. And I would like to welcome today's speaker.
Thank you, madam.
Dr. Yes, thank you, ma'am. And I would like to welcome today's speaker, Dr. R.N. Devendra Kumar, Sir, Associate Professor in the Department of Computer Science and Engineering at Sri Ramakrishna Institute of Technology, Coimbatore. And he has obtained his PhD from Anna University in 2021. And Dr. Ravindra Kumar has authored numerous publications in reputed journals and conferences, contributed to book chapters, and filed patents, including an IoT enhanced city surveillance and monitoring device. He has been recognized with multiple honors, including the Educator and Scholar Award 2024 and Silver Awards in International Innovation Expos, actively involved in the academic community. He serves as a resource person, conference organizer, reviewer, and advisory board member. He is also a life member of Computer Society of India and the Internet Society, and a member of Indian Society of Technical Education. I welcome you, sir.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you very much. Thank you, ma'am. Ma'am, it's audible?
Yes, sir, you are audible.
Sure, sure. Really very sorry, ma'am, for that some network issue in my here. I'm presenting in my mobile. My colleague will be presenting the PPT, ma'am. Just 2 minutes, I'll be sharing the PPT. Participants, please, ma'am, please proceed. Please proceed, ma'am.
Yes, okay, sir. You can start the session.
Sure, thank you. Dear participants, really, I'm apologies for the delay in this presentation. So I got some network issue here. So I requested my colleague to share my PPT. My colleague Justin will be sharing the PPT. After that, we'll be starting the session. Really sorry for the delay.
Sure, just give me a quick.
Justin, can you share? Justin?
Sir, yes, sir, it is downloading. Just give me a quick moment.
Sure. Okay. Presentation be shared. Okay, I don't want to waste your valuable time until the presentation starts. Until the presentation starts, I'll be discussing the a few informations. I'll first of all thank the Oliva International for giving me the opportunity and Poway College for giving me the opportunity to present this session. The topic is on IoT and AI for civil engineering. Nowadays, IoT and AI, advanced technology, that is it is an important thing. I will be starting the presentation also. Okay. Before that, I'm introducing myself. I'm Devendra from CSC, from Sri Ramakrishna Institute of Technology. Civil engineering has always been about, we are having that having about designing safe, reliable, sustainable infrastructure. We are enable such and such a by. But with IoT and AI, we are entering into a new era. We are going into a new era where the infrastructure can sense, analyze, and even it can predict its own performance. My presentation will be regarding the IoT and AI. Before that, I'll be discussing about artificial intelligence and Internet of Things. The main thing is, so 2 minutes, sir. Ganesh, sir, 2 minutes. My first colleague is sharing the PPT. I'm having some issues in sharing the PPT here. Justin, download. Justin,
Sure, yes, sir, download.
please share. பண்ணிங்களாப்பா Justin?
Sir, it's my screen.
Ma?
Sir, screen.
I got it. Yeah, thank you. Sorry, again. See, we are going to see how IoT and artificial intelligence. IoT and artificial intelligence are used for civil engineering and engineering and applications and future potential. Next slide, please. Isn't it not loading? Justin? Justin, your presentation got disconnected. Okay, next slide, please. Next slide. Yeah, in introduction, see, we are going to see how we will be beginning with the introduction to IoT and AI in civil engineering. Then we are going to see how the IoT devices and sensors are used, and we will be moving to the AI algorithm and the techniques. Then we will be discussing the smart construction, safety, risk management, and sustainability. And we will also see how what are the challenges that are implementing the technologies, followed by real world case studies, and we will be looking the future trends and the skills of civil engineering that to be developed to stay relevant. Next slide. Introduction to IoT and AI in civil engineering. Artificial intelligence. We know that artificial intelligence is as a technology where we are going as we nowadays many artificial application technology application came. That is your technology that is used for analyzing the data. Main purpose of artificial intelligence, I want to make the machine, I want to make a machine to act like a human being. First, make like a machine to act how the human beings act. And IoT is used for sensing and giving the information. Here, here what we are seeing is at the core of the seminar, we are having two technologies, IoT and AI. IoT is Internet of Things, that is used for connecting the devices, and sensors are used for collecting the data. In IoT, we are using sensors for collecting and sharing the information in the form of a data, and where artificial intelligence, we are using the data which we receive by use of IoT can be analyzed and which is used for making the machine to have decide the decision. In civil engineering, the combination means a smarter construction, proactive maintenance, better use of resources. See, we with the usage of IoT and AI, we can predict and we can prevent the problem. We can predict what is the problem and we can prevent the problem. That is, intelligence is used for analyzing the data, what is going to happen by the past information, by the analyzing thing, and the IoT is used for getting the information, getting the data by the use of sensors. Next. Okay. In addition to the information of IoT, IoT is used for working for collecting the data. Where, if you are taking we will see with an example. We are taking a bridge. The bridge might have crack. It have vibrations. It should take the temperature and strain. The data will be sent to the engineers. These data are helped by use of IoT and artificial intelligence. But the data received by IoT will be will be analyzed by the artificial intelligence, and instead of waiting for the cracking to appear, instead of waiting for the climate to be warm, and we can use the technologies in advance to prevent it. Here, we can take IoT. We can take IoT as eyes and ears, where AI will be considered as a brain. We can consider AI as the brain. That is, we can know what is going to happen. What is going on? So the together AI and IoT will be the foundation for smart civil engineering. Smart civil engineering. Now we see why the civil engineer should care. You may wonder, see, civil engineers care about IoT and AI. There is today's projects are more complex, larger in scale, and a greater time and cost pressures. So we can get real time and accurate data. See, when we are having IoT devices, or when we are having AI systems, we can see simple example. If we want to train, if we want to get an answer for a question, if you want to get an answer for a question, nowadays many of us we have started using ChatGPT, Gemini, ChatGPT, many AI tools have been used. That is where that data, what we needed. The data, I'll be coming with a computer science example, and I'll be coming back to dig into the system. See, I want to prepare information. I want to get an information. I want to prepare information. I want to something that to be learned or delivered or to be identified. Nowadays, few have started using AI applications. AI applications. See, for example, if we are using a chat GPT or Gemini or any other AI tools, we can get answers for the questions what we posted. But the question that we are going to post, the query that we are going to post, if the query is properly posted, that what we want, then that solution will be getting solution will be the data will be proper, the question will be properly analyzed, and it will be searched by the data what is available, existingly available, and the data will be received back. So see, for any information application or the thing is, we want an information or input. For getting an input, it may be civil engineer, it will be mechanical engineering, for any engineering, an input. Nowadays, we are getting an input information or anything, any information by means of an IoT device. That is IoT is for getting information or getting a transfer scanning by the devices. From the information received, what we are going to do is we are going to have the analyze the data. Based on the information, analyze the data, and the answer will be predicted, answer will be given, answer will be projected by means of an artificial intelligence. So only nowadays IoT and AI plays a major role in civil engineering. They help civil engineer to also to have a better delivery, better projects in less time. So the efficiency of the product and the cost will be reduced, and the safety will be increased, and the automation will be driven. So the IoT can be IoT and AI is used in civil engineering. Next. Overview of the integration trends. And if we are taking IoT, we will nowadays the data analysis, the latest trends, the integration trends is sensor technology, which is used for analyzing the precise of giving us the precise real-time data. Then coming to a data analytics, which is used for processing large amount of data. When after processing the large amount of data, we are going to get the data information from the useful information from it. Then cloud computing. The cloud computing allows us to store and access the data anytime, anywhere. IoT and AI integration drives automation and enhanced decision making. These are the trends that are shaping the ways to design, build, and manage information. And if any project or any application nowadays it is built, these are all the trends that is integrated one another. Sensor technology for getting the for tracking, for getting the precise amount of data, the correct amount of the input, the correct input what we want, the correct amount of data, and data analysis for processing the data of large amount of data, and Cloud computing for store. That is main thing is we are facing many info. That is how to store, where to store. For that we are having cloud computing. IoT and AI is used for automation, making our system automated and making our decision to be correct, enhanced, given a correct input, that is input. And these are all the trends that is used for building and managing the designing, building and managing the infrastructure. Next one. Key IoT devices and sensors in civil engineering. Sensors are the heart of IoT. See, IoT, the data in Internet of Things. For the internet, we are going to get the information data. The data will be processed, data will be received with the help of sensors. Without sensor, there is no data. If I want to use any of AI technology, I want to use any of AI artificial intelligence technology, I want to have some information with my hands. We want to have some information in my hand. That type of information, that to be analyzed will be getting use of Internet of Things. In this, we see different types of. We are going to see different types of sensors that is used for in civil engineering for monitoring and the projects. Now coming to some of the common types of sensors, accelerometer, which is used for measuring vibrations and helping us to monitor structure health, and strain gauge, which is used for measuring stress and deformation in materials. Then temperature sensors are used for materials within the safe limit. GPS devices is used for precision and location tracking. These sensors will be giving these are some of the sensors which will be giving the clear picture, what is happening in the real time. That is, we are going to predict the data. The applications are going to predict the data, what we are going to use, what we are going to what we are going to do. About that prediction that we will be getting prediction will be done based on the sensors we are going to. Next slide. Next. Applications of IoT in construction sites. IoT, Internet of Things, transform the construction sites into smarter environments. Nowadays, all the smart cities, smart environment, smart energy, all again, smart environment. That is equipment usage monitoring, material tracking, worker safety, real-time site monitoring. These are also some of the applications of IoT in construction sites. Equipment usage monitoring, that is used for saving money and reducing the downtime. Okay, what are all the equipment to be used when it distributes, so that this IoT devices, okay, will be helpful to track and helpful to and AI devices come in will help to track what are the equipment that we are going to use, how it can be ensure the machines that are used, how the machines are used efficiently or not, which is used or not, that is used by equipment usage monitoring is on the advantage. Then material tracking prevents the losses and ensure that resources are available or not. And resources are made available when it is needed. All the things that can be have happened with the help of IoT devices. Then material and work safety. The main thing is we want to know the work safety environment through the sensors to detect the hazardous condition. Then we will go with real-time monitoring. Gives you main thing is we want to monitor the data real time, so that the complete picture, what is happening, the complete picture of site operation can be done. Thus, these are all the things by making use of IoT in a construction sites, we can make safer, more efficient, and better managed construction sites. Next slide. Wireless network and data transmission. For IoT, Wi-Fi, Zigbee, okay, IoT to work, we need reliable for making to get the data, to process the data. We want data communication. Now before half an hour, my system. I was ready with the presentation. I was ready for the presentation from 5:30, but at the time my support, that is the processing of data, the delay of communication was the small issue in my laptop. See, that is, so we want to work for IoT to work. We need a reliable communication technology, that is like Wi-Fi, Zigbee, LPWAN connection, and sensor systems. These sensors used for transferring the data. For the main thing is the wireless networks are used for in IoT and AI for monitoring the data in real time, getting the data in real time. Okay, that so that we can take this wireless network as a nervous of the smart connection, nervous of the smart connection. They will be carrying the information from every sensor, that information that you have passed to the sensor will be to the brain of the system. Next. AI algorithms and techniques for civil engineering. See, we have seen AI techniques. AI technique is where, that is giving meaning to all the data collected. It helps us to. The main thing is many data. There is machine learning algorithms, computer vision, predictive analysis. We will be seeing back. Okay, predictive analysis. These all the things that is used for analyzing the data, predicting what is going to happen, and how we can automate the task. What are all the tasks can be automated? These are all some of the algorithm and technique that is used for civil engineer, used for making your project management. And it is used, these are the AI tool, or AI algorithm are becoming more essential tool for modern civil engineers. The first one is machine learning for structural analysis. Machine learning can be used for predicting how to structure under different condition, by studying the past data. It is used, we can say that it can also be used for anomalies early, and you can use for by solving the we can predict the errors that preventing the failures. That is unusual activity can be by using of machine learning algorithms or machine learning techniques in AI, we can avoid unusual happenings. Machine learning is also used for supporting the machine decision by predicting when we need to repair, what we want to do, so that the time can be saved, the cost can be reduced. That is the thing. So machine learning plays a major role in artificial intelligence algorithm. Next is computer vision for site monitoring. Computer vision uses camera, that is vision, image processing, vision processing, computer vision, artificial AR, VR, all the things are used for site monitoring. It is used for tracking. We can track construction progress monitoring, hazard distraction, and safety protocol compliance. See, we can have a track the construction progress by comparing the images over time. Based on the information received, based on the image captured, we can compare the data over time to time, so that we can detect the hazards, that is unsafe and unsafe conditions, and also workers without any preventive measure, for those who are not following the preventive measures. And it is also used for the image process, that is computer vision is also used for safety protocols to be followed that can be easily monitored. This means we can by use of computer vision, we can monitor the site, which makes our work to be done accurately, faster, and in addition, the task can be done safer. So machine learning, computer vision is also used. AI algorithms. Next. The important thing, predictive analytics in project management. Prediction plays a major role. Prediction. Artificial intelligence prediction, that is what is going to happen. Forecasting. Managing, the main thing is managing the cost, optimizing the resource allocation, These can be done based on the predictive analysis. Here, the predictive analysis can forecast how much delay it can happen, how the task should be done earlier, faster. It can also predict. It can also predict what is the cost it is going to be overrunning. That will make us to have a financial control. And you can say that it can also optimize resource allocation also. See, based on the prediction, more than our prediction, if a system predicts based on learning, based on analyzing, based on processing, the analyzing results will give us a smarter answer, will give us more efficient answer. The main thing is we can have a better financial control and optimize the resources. So the predictive analysis in project management we're using AI is used for. It will be a best technique for our civil engineers. Next, please. Smart construction infrastructure. For smart construction infrastructure means that you IoT and AI to monitor, and we can say that is monitoring. We can manage or we can optimize the projects in real time. The smart construction makes it also makes, or it may say that we can it can be the smart that AI and IoT will be used for adapting and evolving. And the first one is real-time monitoring projects with the help of IoT sensors. We can construction condition can be monitored. We can construction condition can be tracked or monitored continuously, and the status can be easily tracked. And the environmental factors, that is environmental factors like temperature, the humidity can also be measured. The main thing, in short, safety plays a major role, cost plays a major role, efficient work plays a major role, prediction plays a major role. These are all the things plays a major role. So, as IoT and AI sells those there. The real-time monitoring ensures the project that stay on track, and the main thing is the real-time monitoring by a system, by any of the artificial intelligence system, will try to minimize the risk. Next. Automated equipment and robotics. Nowadays, robots and automated equipments can handle repetitive or dangerous tasks. This reduces the human risk. Robotics plays a major role, so that the human risk can be reduced and the efficiency can be increased. Many devices are can be used for using by combining IoT and AI control. We can create construction sites that are safer and faster. That is, what is how much the input? What is the thing you want to do by IoT, and how the task can be done? Which task will be best? Which task can be done first? That can be done by your AI. Next. Digital twins for infrastructure planning. Here, digital twins are virtual models of real-world infrastructure. See here, there is virtual infrastructure model, stimulation, prediction, life cycle of optimization. Digital twins are virtual model for real-time infrastructure, which is used to stimulate and predict how a project will be performing. Before starting to do a project, we can stimulate by help of AI and IoT. IoT, that is, we can identify the traffic condition. For identifying the stimulation by user conditions, traffic condition, weather impact, and maintenance need, so that this can optimize the infrastructure process from designing, the starting phase of designing to the implementation or the operation. That is the life cycle optimization. Life cycle optimization is used for optimizing the infra from the process, making the better results from starting phase to the operation. Next. Enhancing safety and risk management. Safety is always, we will always take a safety as an important task. Safety is an important task. We'll be giving, as a civil engineer, we'll be giving safety as a highest priority. IoT and AI is a powerful tool which is used for reducing the risk. How means we can detect unsafe condition, and after detection can be detection of IoT. That is, sensor can detect an unsafe condition, and AI can analyze the data to prevent the hazard that is going to be happen. That is predicted. Predicted hazards can be analyzed, and that both the analyzation and detecting will make our environments to be performed with a safer work and reducing the accident. So enhancing safety and risk management. And IoT based safety monitoring. Now, IoT based safety monitoring is IoT safety devices where will be having wearable devices which is used for tracking the workers' health condition. See, nowadays our maximum from having those smartwatches, similar that many applications. Workers' health, detect hazards, temperature sensors by using that smoke sensors or fire sensor. That is for temperature gases. Environmental monitors can detect risk like gas leakage or high temperature, and alerts can be notified for the manager, and enabling a rapid responsiveness. That the main thing is we are focusing this IoT. We are focusing this artificial intelligence for a security purpose, safe working condition, optimal working condition, and giving a efficient work condition. So IoT based safety monitoring ensure that a product and accidents can be prevented by monitoring. Next. AI-driven hazards detection. AI-driven hazard detection, data stream analysis, risk identification, and time intervention. We can analyze the data, the huge stream of data. It can identify what are all the unstable things happen. What is the unstable structures? What is the which will we have unstable behaviors on the site? Each can be detected. Each can be detected on time, and it can prevent the accidents before they happen. So this detection, AI devices for smarting sensors and detection, you can detect what is going to happen, what the unsafe behavior is going to happen. That unsafe behavior can be predicted, and it can be detected, and it can be prevented. For that, AI plays a major role. Next, emergency response and predictive maintenance. AI predictive. Already we have seen about predictive in the previous slide. Predictive maintenance, scheduling and predictive. That is emergency. Here, AI can coordinate. We can respond based on the responses. The damage can be minimized, and then predictive maintenance tools, and that is used for anticipating what are all the failures that was going to happen, equipment failures, and ensuring that which machine, which should be serviced, which should be, what are all the breakdowns before the machine breakdowns, or what are the things how it happen that predictive analysis we will be predicting it, so that we can avoid it Well, so that the main thing in predictive analysis and is we can give an emergency response to that action so that the cost can be reduced, the downtime can be reduced, and the risk can be reduced. So the AI and IoT plays a major role. Next, sustainable and green engineering with IoT and AI. Nowadays, SDG, Sustainable Development Goals. Sustainable is a crucial today. Here, nowadays, IoT and AI helps in using designing greener and more eco-friendly infrastructure. By monitoring the environment, monitoring system, we can reduce waste and optimize the resources and build smarter and more sustainable cities. The first environmental monitoring system for air quality, water quality, and noise level monitoring. Environmental sensor monitoring is used for sensor monitors air quality, water safety, and noise level. This is used for this ensures construction to minimize the environmental impact, we can protect the environment, and also it is also necessary for a long-term growth. Next. Resource optimization and water reduction. Artificial intelligence can optimize material usage. Logistics can be scheduled more efficiently, preventing delays and environmental footprint reduction and reducing waste also lower the cost and environmental impact. So smarter is that is simple. By using of AI and IoT, we can say that as we are going to use smarter resource management. We can tell in a single word that we are going to use a smarter resource management to the more sustainable goals. Next. Energy efficient building operation. IoT device. Nowadays, we have started using IoT devices in homes, offices, appliances, everything. IoT enables smart system regulate lighting, HVAC, energy usage. That is automatic adjustment of lights and system or room conditions. So that that reduces so that the energy. The main thing is power, energy, so resources can be saved, the cost can be reduced, and the eco-friendly building can be created. We can create an eco-friendly building can be created. Next. Now we can see what are all the different challenges in implementing AI and IoT. The main thing, data, AI, IoT. IoT, we are having data. AI, we are going to analyze the data. So the challenges that we will face, is data privacy, interoperability, cost, scalability, and one more thing we can take that as either IoT and AI. Simple example again. I'm going to again. We got it. If we are using ChatGPT or if we are using Gemini or any of the AI tool, if I want to get the information, if I'm planning to give my question or query in a proper manner, I will get answer rightly. So the information that I'm going to ask, what I need is can be received by the posting the question. That is, AI and IoT requires planning, proper planning, that how it can be used properly, and the investment and how it is collaborated. The first data privacy and security based on the data privacy and security concern. Since IoT involves collecting huge amount of data, as we saw earlier, the technologies, data prediction, predictive analysis, cloud computing, and so and so. Since IoT involves collecting of huge amount of data, privacy and security are the major concerns. Unauthorized access to the infrastructure data could pose serious risk. Strong, that is, we need a strong cyber security measures for using to product for protecting this system data, for handling the data, for processing, for the data protection system. Should have the strong cyber security measure should be there. Next, interoperability and integration issues. Different devices are using different standards, are making integration different. The formats, the communications, the rules, the protocols, the barriers which is the what are, will be created, the standardization and the frameworks that to be need to be for the are needed for the smooth integration. Interoperability and integration issues. See, again, the same issue what I faced in starting. I was having some. I don't know what I want to. I want to point out the issue. That is, I'm having some. I got. See, I'm having a smart system. I'm having a phone. I'm having anything. But at starting of the session, the system not works. It was not working. But not supporting to me. I got the issues in my system. That is, different devices often different standards. How the standards can be managed, how to form, what are the data formats, what are the template, what are the formats that to be used, and communication protocols, whether matching or not. Okay, these are all the barriers. This can be avoided by standardization and having a good, better framing it properly for smooth integration. Next. Cost and scalability limitation. Implementation of IoT and AI requires significant investment, higher initial investment, and the challenges in scaling solutions. And scaling solution across large projects can be challenged by, as the technology matures and cost can be reduced, the barriers will be gradually fail. Okay, that is, as earlier computer, nowadays computer, earlier cost of the mobile, now cost of mobile. The implementation of IoT and AI nowadays requires significant investment. That is also challenges for implementing for AI and IoT. That will be reduced. Then next. Case study for a successful application. Now we will take a applications in civil engineering next. Smart bridges and roads. Now let's look at a real world application where IoT has successfully applied. And smart bridges and roads. In smart bridges and IoT sensors are used for measuring the structural integrity. This ensures that if it ensures the information that before a damage happens, the information is passed to the IoT by the IoT devices, and it is all this IoT system can also be used for analyzing the traffic flow, and that is also used for managing the congestion, and it is also the sensors are used for managing the tracking the rain conditions, snow or that condition, so that that maintenance, that the movement of the roads, the movement of the bridge and roads can be a smooth process. Next. AI assisted design process. The AI tools, structural efficiency optimization, cost reduction, and sustainability enhancement. AI tools can analyze the complex design parameters that is used for improving the efficiency of the process. This AI tool can also use for suggesting. It can also used for suggesting cost-effective materials and processes and reduces the expenses. And AI-driven stimulation helps for designing a sustainable infrastructure by evaluating the based on the environmental condition, based on the environmental impacts. The AI system can be designed. AI can be used for making the for evaluating the impacts of the environment. Next. IoT power building management system, Internet of the power building management system, lighting control, uh, climate management, and security management. IoT, automatic lighting adjustment. See, nowadays we are seeing that the automatic the person is available, light will be on. That for saving energy and saving the energy. The automatic lighting adjustment based on the occupancy and daylight and climatic condition of usage of our cooler machines and security devices more monitoring the assets and detecting the threats. These makes our building safer, greener and more comfort. IoT makes our work, so makes not our work, sorry, makes our building a safer one, a greener one, and more comfortable one. Next. Future trends. What is next for civil engineers? The future holds exciting possibilities. 5G, AI powered planning, and autonomous construction, and that will look very different in coming years. We will be getting ready for the transformation. Edge computing and 5G connectivity. Computing process the data close to its resources, reducing the delays. 5G offers ultra fast, reliable communication where the thousands of IoT devices work simultaneously. We can make the multiple systems to work simultaneously, and that makes our precision to be good, prediction to be good, better, and scale monitoring more possible, more scale monitoring, large scale monitoring for more possible. Next. Okay, AI powered urban planning. AI can be analyzing big data to design efficient city layouts and reducing the traffic and predicting the infrastructure needs. Optimization of city layouts and infrastructure development and resource allocation can be done good or better in by using AI powered AI. It helps. We can help us to allocate resources effectively, and it can use for creating a smarter and more sustainable cities. Next. Autonomous construction sites, robotic construction machinery being used in construction. AI defense systems manage site operation, ensures that is precision and safety can be done with the help of AI system, and the risk can be reduced, human risk can be reduced, accuracy can be increased, and the faster and safer construction can be done by using autonomous construction sites. Next. Skills and tools for civil engineering. To move in this era, that we need to have new skills, knowledge of IoT, AI platform, and we can say data analytics is essential. We must be able to comfortable with the technologies along with the traditional engineering. Essential IoT platforms, AI platforms are civil engineers, as we are familiar with IoT development platforms and AI tools, that which is used for collecting the information and analyzing it and visualizing the data. And this learning will make us more effective in the digital age. Next. Training and professional development. Training is a crucial one. That is, we must update the skills through workshops, certification, and continuous learning, and that will be stay relevant and capable in faster changing field. Next. Now, collaboration between engineers and data science. Future projects will require collaboration between engineers and data science. Engineers bring domain knowledge, while data scientists bring expertise in AI and analytics. Engineers build domain knowledge and data and AI and data analysis. Together, they can create innovative solutions for civil infrastructure. See, that is interdisciplinary teamwork, IoT solution development, and AI application in civil projects. See, this will collaborations will make the work that will be giving innovative solutions for civil infrastructure. Next, before concluding, the session, I'll just say artificial intelligence, IoT. Artificial intelligence, that is for processing the data, for analyzing the data, for predicting the information, for processing, analyzing, and predicting the information. We use artificial intelligence tools nowadays. Tools, startup, many things are started. That will be you have started, and for that starting making our system smarter, for handling smarter thing, we will right, we will have a civil called internet of things. So the to control it, and AI are transforming this IoT and AI are transforming the civil engineering. They both will help us to design, build, manage a smarter and more reliable. We can have a smarter and more reliable and mindset for a more reliable and more sustainable infrastructure. The potential benefits will be more enormous. With the right skills and mindsets, we will lead the way into a smarter future. That is, IoT AI technology streaming civil engineering process, saving the time and resources. The time and resources can be saved, and the risk, the maintenance, protecting the avoiding the risk. Analyzing. We can analyze the risk. By analyzing the risk, the workers can be protected, and the infrastructure can be infrastructure based. The sensors will be having that as infrastructure, what is needed, what is not needed, when it is needed, that can be identified. Then integrating, by combining, by integrating and the resources, the optimization, the resources can be done. That will be integrating the environment can be, and minimizing the impact on the environment can be done, and adopting the IoT and AI, the development of smart future and ready infrastructure can be done. So this AI and IoT makes asset environment as a smarter environment, environment as a green environment, for making and developing a green environment, and for the smarter environment and reducible thing. For this, AI and IoT plays a major role in civil engineering. By this, I'm concluding my session. Any doubts, please? Thank you, Justin, for presenting and helping me in the presentation.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, ma'am.
On behalf of Power Engineering College and Civil Engineering Department, I wholeheartedly thank today's guest speaker, Dr. R.N. Devendra Kumar, Associate Professor from Sri Ramakrishna Institute of Technology, Coimbatore. So for sharing his vast experience in the field of IoT and AI with us. Thank you, sir. And I also thank Olivia Publication for collaborating with the Pavai for conducting this FDP for us. Thank you. And finally, I thank all the faculty members who have joined from various institutions for this FDP. Thank you so much.
I'll
Thank you.
share the PPT and with the important websites and links, and adding the PPT and sharing yours. We can share to the participants as well.
Okay, okay. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you all.
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.
Sir,
Thank you. Thank you.
sir, can I know one thing, sir?
We are going to
I completed B in PSN College of Engineering, sir. Hello.
Sir, please, sir.
Are you completed BE in
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
PSN College of, sir?
Yeah,
College of
yes. I'm UG. I did my UG in BSNA college.
Okay, okay. I am one of the friend of you during my UG.
Anand, sir. Yeah.
Are you get my point? From Civil
Yes,
Engineering
thank
Department, sir.
you. Yeah, yes.
Okay.
Happy to see you, sir.
After
Happy to see you.
completed session, can I have your
Sure,
number,
sure.
sir?
Sure.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, sir. Thank you.
Dear participants, we
I
are
will
going
get
to.
from
Sure.
the coordinators. Can you please?
Sure. It is in group also. Sure. Please,
Okay,
sure.
sure.
Dear participants, we are going to share that feedback link in a chat group, chat box. Please fill it.
Ma'am, shall I leave, ma'am? Ma'am, shall I leave?
Sir, we are going to share that feedback link in our chat group.
Okay,
Please fill
I shall leave.
Participants are requested to not leave the Google Meet. I'm going to share the feedback link in a chat box. Feedback link has been shared in that chat box. Please fill the form.
Sir, it shows some error.
Sir, it's not opening, sir. It's showing some errors.
Sir, let me check, sir. Please wait.
Yeah. Sir, 404 error வருது சார்.
So now we have shared the rectified one. Please fill it form.
We have to use same link, sir. Otherwise, different link you are going to send, sir.
The previous link was not at all open because it was a text format. Now it is a link format. Please log in.
Okay. Maybe not yet received, sir. Going to generator, sir.
Sir, now we have posted a link in the chat window. Kindly check.
Sir, not yet received any new link, sir. So we are waiting.
Once feedback form is filled, all may leave the session. Thank you all.